Hello. The top I am wearing is a very baggy tank top that pretty much goes all the way down to my bottom. This was a £5 from Tesco. And then this is a really old baggy medium boys hoodie, which is my comfy hoodie, and I love wearing it because it's black. It goes with absolutely everything. And this was like £15 I think from H&M ages ago. So again, really cheap and awesome. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. I'm not really sure what they're called. I've had them for absolutely ages. They kind of remind me of leather Converse. I think Alex Turner has a pair of shoes like this, so therefore that makes them cool to me. Walking. I just had a really random thought, and I kind of just wanted to know if anyone else thought this exact same thought. Right, so when anyone's walking at night and they're looking at the cars on the street or whatever, do you ever wonder about the people that are driving the cars as opposed to the car that they're driving? And how that a lot of people assume by the car that you're driving that you're a whole kind of person that you're not, or that you are. Car stereotypes. But do you ever think about the people inside the car? I always wonder about the people driving the cars. Like the houses that I pass, I always wonder about the people living in those houses. I suppose I just wonder about people a lot. I'm a people person. There would be no cars driving past now, wouldn't they? Oh, there's one. My opinion is valid again. Hello. We meet again. Look at the pretty rainbow tail. Rebellious parrot. Kettle. You should always make brews like that.
I usually do.
It just amuses me that it's just perched there like, whatever. I'm just gonna sit here. Are you making me a brew as well?
You like to eat. Where? Come on.
Arse and face.
You like where? Hey. No. Go for
Tea. Parrot. Tea. Parrot.
Ben! Biscuit.
Is that a parrot eating a biscuit?
Yeah.
Nom 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 nom. Fuck that biscuit. I want a kebab.
Beat my fucking beard.
Is it gone in?
Stop biting me.
Is it in?
Ow.
Parrot 1, Ryan 0. I want to stay out here for longer.
When? You don't have to go in now. Go on.
Parrot 2, Ryan 0.
He knows hair's your weakness.
No, he keeps really biting my neck. Which means I have to do this because he's in a bad mood.
Because he wants more biscuit. Oh, you almost like threw him off your shoulder.
He has to.
Oh my god. The bird still wins though.
Really hurt.
Wounded. Johnny Bravo bird.
It's going to burn. Okay.
Hey. Hey guys. Oh. This one's more of a Cruella de Vil mixed with Pikachu.
He's 25 years old. He's older than both of us, that bird.
Wow, no wonder he's got grey hair. On top. He looks like he's smiling.
Let's go wave.
Hey. Is he gonna wave?
Wave, Jasper. Come on. Come on. is too amazed by the phone to wave.
How do I pick? Career. I'm going to go for
X. We'll go across.
Hold the handle for your career choice. Press an available button to reveal your
At
salary.
least I get to travel the world. No.
Your sa- 9.
Did you just say no to drugs? Did I just do drugs in this game?
Advice on NRIS.